Right, back we go. It is Sunday, February 13th, Super Bowl Sunday. I like the Rams. And I'm going to take the under. I think it's like 4.5, 48.5. We'll see what happens on that game. All right, let's take a look at some more stocks. AFRM, Affirm Holdings. I get this pulled up on FinViz. Operates a platform for digital mobile first commerce in the United States and Canada. Point of sale solution, consumers, merchant, commerce solutions. 29,000 merchants integrated on its platform, covering small businesses, large enterprises. Company was founded in 2012 in San Francisco. Let's see here, 16.49 billion market cap, huge market cap. Sales 861 million. Institutions own 70%. So, yeah, money managers, hedge funds, they're going to want to move this one way or another. They're sitting a little penny stock. Float, big float, 179 million. All right, so let's take a look at the chart. Yeah, this came about in January 2021. It's around the 90 range, made a nice little bounce up to 147 and came down big time. Formed a wedge. You can see usually you want 2 or more points on this low falling wedge. 1, 2. You can have made it even a little closer. On here. And then it did do a little breakout. And it fell back below this 50 level. And then we moved, up to 70, sort of broke out of that. Now, on these wedges, it could go a few ways. It could come right out, break out, and go straight up. It could come sideways, then come up. I've seen move come up, come back down, and then take maybe, a month or longer, then it comes up. So this did go to 70, come back, and then look at this 70 level. So it went over by 1, 2, 3 touches, and the 4th touch just broke out. And it really took off. This is when all these tech stocks were on fire. August, September, October, November. This went to 70 all the way to this candle here. The shooting star candle is a bearish candle. Went to 176.65. Then came back and forth. Big channel here. Look at this. Very tight. Bounces in between. It did come out on this move February 2022. And then here's the Russian news. This really dropped, got crushed. Things were bouncing back a little bit on the NASDAQ and probably the SPY, Dow Jones too. And then that hit and it really got hammered down. Yeah, it got crushed. So on these moves, recent IPO, you can form pretty much a conclusion on some of these if it's been enough time. So this was a down move, sideways and broke up. Front side, all this is front side, then back side pyramid. Your front side, the pyramid, downside. Let's look at the weekly. And I like the weekly stochastics too. When this started to move out, you had here, came back. The low on this stochastics got higher, then it really formed a big move up. And then right here, looks like on that day, 11/5, 2021, November 5th. And look at this, red over white is all bearish. When you have that beautiful of a streamline, you could say this is a down move like Everest. Here's the move down, strong. There's no like crossover, like this on the up. It's just straight down. Even these bounces were fake. See, the bounces are fake too. One of my secrets on these swing trades, unless you have a crossover or some move where this starts to move even sideways, you might have a shot. This is straight down. There's nothing. And then even here, it's oversold. Now you're at 683. Oversold level, is bullish, meaning that it's not going to go down forever. But you still have a downtrend, a down market now. So this could go even lower. It broke this low, 46.50. Low right here is 45.58. We'll see when futures open, 6 p.m., where this goes. If this goes even further, there's nothing below here. There's no support. So this could go even further at this point. Monthly, see here all these candles, 4 in a row, 3 in a row up, 4 in a row down. Pretty easy to say. This is almost like kindergarten stuff. Kids with blocks. Oh, red blocks, green blocks. Very simple on this chart. You don't have a lot of form. There's no stochastics, nothing on indicators, just starting to have a 13 EMA. You want to close again. You want a weekly green close and maybe a next week. You want 2 in a row to really try to confirm it. So there's nothing here yet. So to move up, I mean, if you do get a bounce, there's get all kinds of little bounces in between. You could bounce all the way up here back to that 60. Could they bring it back up again? If there's a strong rally, you could get to 80. I would look more short-term rally if we get to 60, maybe 65, because every time it's knocked down by the 1320 EMA. And if not, if this goes lower, then who knows where this is going. There's nothing down here. It's usually when they say blue skies ahead, this is like hell bottom. There's nothing here to support this. So you can get it cheaper now. If you're holding this long term, this is great because I like this long term $16 billion market cap. It's not going anywhere. This could be a great hold long term 401k or something like that. We'll see what happens in this. It really depends. The market's very choppy right now. We're getting a lot of bounces. We're getting a lot of news driven market as of, these moves are back and forth each day. The volatility intraday is incredible at this point. So we'll see where this goes. If we get a bounce Monday, we continue lower. And you can see it on the daily stochastics. You're up here. You want to buy low too, although you can buy higher. But that's when you get that low on bounces, it's very good. That's my 80 right here is overbought. 20 right here is oversold. You can see all the lows right here. You did get eventual bounce. All right, it's AFRM affirm, and we'll see what happens on this one. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kingman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out links below. Check out videos in the past. Check out last year my videos. The market was hot. About 7 to 10 swing trades. I did videos on SHIB, TCAT, MMAT, Ride, CEI. What else? Maybe HUT, BTBT. To name a few. Crushed all of them. Was all over them. And it's really about the market. Small caps, you day trade. You can swing them. Depends on the market. Depends how everything's running, but they're mainly day trades. You want to swing it, you got to be careful of bios and stuff like that. Higher price stocks, you can swing more because they're not going to make crazy moves intraday necessarily, and you can get a longer time frame hold because they're not moving 50 cents and 350 in a day like that. The percentage is much higher in them stocks. All right, that's it. We're out for now. Peace.